Yo, Mimi? Sige, pag ikaw talaga napasok. Hot? Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Ooh, yummy! Oh, now it's not hot anymore. Eat that one. Hi guys! Gagawa kami ng banana muffin. Pero inuubos na ni Amelia ang banana. Hindi ko alam anong ilalagay namin kasi inuubos na niya. So first, imamash natin ang ating banana. Uy, don't put it there. Don't put it there. Mash natin ang banana. Mimi, you need to help Mommy. Stop touching that. Oh, if you fall, you're gonna get a boo-boo, real boo-boo. You already got one. How many do you want? Ay, nako. Pasaway. P, give it to me. Oh, strawberry. Oh, strawberry. Pasaway si Amelia. So, i-mash natin ang banana. Tapos, you wanna crack the egg? Cut the egg. We do this. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Oopsie! Oh no! Mimi made a mess. Oh, throw the trash. Throw that. Oh, more egg. More egg. Ready? 1, 2. Wow! Oh, one more egg. One more egg. Mommy will do it. 3 eggs. Ay, don't touch. You need to wipe your hand. And then we need to mix it like this. And then, like that. And then, asan na yun? We will add maple syrup. Konti lang kasi matamis ang banana. Oh, konti lang. Oh, mix. Mix. Mix it, Mimi. We need to find the vanilla. Nasaan yung vanilla, me? Nilalaro mo yung nakaraan. Oh, no. Nawala na ang ating vanilla, guys. Kasi si Amelia naglaro nun. Me, where's the vanilla, me? Wala na. Pasaway to si Amelia, eh. Oh, no.
Mommy.
Oh, where's the vanilla? It's the cinnamon. Wala na tayong vanilla. Oh, mix it. We need to mix it. Okay, mix. Don't touch it. Did you put it in your mouth? We're supposed to, This is melted butter. You can use whatever oil you want, but we wanna use, butter. Because it's healthier. Okay. Wala tayong vanilla. Hindi ko alam saan mo nilagay. Tapos, 2 cups of oat flour. So, gumagawa lang kami ng oat flour namin, guys. Bini-blender ko lang yung, yung rolled oats. 1. 4 na ganito. 2. 3.
Mama.
Here. 1 second. Don't put it in your mouth. Ano ba, me? 2. 1 more. Put it in. Yay! Okay. Now, don't touch. Pour the, pour a cinnamon. Like that. Pour cinnamon. Put it in. Sobrang dami. 1 second. We need a baking powder. Here. Don't touch. Here, we need, ito na, Mio.
Mommy, don't.
Here. Baking powder. 1 teaspoon. Put. That's enough. Baking soda naman. Hey, let me do it. Put it in. Good job. Oh, now all done. Now we need to cover it. We need to mix it. Here, I'm gonna give you a... Here. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix.
Oh,
Dali, mix, mix.
me.
Mix, mix. Mix.
Mommy, done?
Done? Mommy only? You don't want it? So, hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng nuts kasi bawal man si Mimi sa nuts. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Ang mga kutsilyo talaga. Bebe, bebe. Tago, be. Tago. Bebe, bebe, bebe.
Oh,
Move a little bit. Ikaw, pasaway ka, ha? Oh, oh, oh. Move your hands. Don't touch the knife. You eat your strawberry.
oh, the.
Na, 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 na.
Mommy.
Na, na. Oh, Mommy needs to mix this.
Mommy, mommy.
Oh, dito na yung aming wet mixture. Lalagay na natin sa dry. Okay? Whee! Yummy! Yummy, yummy!
Mommy, mommy.
Mami, mami. Tapos, mix lang. Mix lang natin siya. You wanna mix it? Lala, mix it. Mimi, you wanna mix it? Like this?
Mix.
Mix. Mix, 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 mix,
Mommy, mommy, done.
Oh. Nung mami. Mami dan. So, lalagyan natin siya ng kaunting rolled oats para may texture. Hey, you need to mix this. Oh, mix na, mix. Texture lang niya yan.
Mommy, done.
Mami only. We will let it sit for a little bit para mag-absorb ng oats yung yung liquid. So, while we're waiting, we're gonna spray this. You wanna spray it? You wanna spray that? You know how to do it? We need to dry it first. Where's the paper towel? One sec.
Apple.
Wait lang. We need to dry it before we spray.
Play.
Okay. Oh, we'll check our muffin. Wow! Tapos na, guys. Ow! Init. Luto na. Here it is, ang muffin ni Mimi. Oat muffin. Banana oat. Okay, you wanna try it? Excited siya, pero mainit. It's hot, okay? Warning, it's hot. Sige, it's hot. It's hot gani. Oh, hi.
Mommy.
Yummy? Yummy? You haven't eaten yet. Ay! Oy, 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 oy. Ay, nako.
Dua.
Ay, nako. Oh, you wanna try it? Mimi will try it. Sige, touch it.
Oh,
Oh,
hot.
hot? So, yung iba maliit kasi half lang nilagay ko. Tapos yung iba naman full. Oh, look at that! So cute! Let's put it in your plate. Oy, 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 hot! Big, not that one. Let's use this one. Gilabay. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, let's try it. Let's wait for it to cool down. Okay.
Down.
So before we eat, because it's still hot, can you answer, Mommy? Mommy has a question for you. What's your name? What's your name? Ay, traidora. What's your name? What is your name?
Nia.
Very good. How old are you?
Hot.
Yeah, it's still hot. How old are you? How old are you, Mimi? Sige, pag ikaw talaga napasok. Hot? Is it yummy?
Mommy.
Ooh, yummy. Oh, now it's not hot anymore. Eat that one.
Oh.
Blow it, blow it. You need to blow it. Yummy.
Pa.
Oh, don't touch it. Yummy? Nasarapan siya, oh. Nagmamadali.
Oh, muffin.
Yeah, it's a muffin. Yummy muffin. Say yummy muffin.